everyone, this is KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about how to say 4 different things that have similar meanings. 설마, 혹시, 어쩌면, 아마도. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Inyoung. I post videos about Korean language and culture in this channel. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. But first, I'd like to shout out one person from the last video, Genevieve. Thank you so much for your support and leaving the great question. If you also want your comment to be featured in the future videos, all you have to do is just simply comment down below because I'm gonna pick one person to shout out for each video. So today I'm going to talk about 4 different words that have total similar meanings in English. So try to clarify everything here. So even for myself as a native Korean speaker, I actually had a hard time to figure out what is what. Just because I also don't think about when it's being used. I just know it by instinct. But I'm gonna try to be precise as possible. But if you can think of any other things that I don't mention in this video, please feel free to leave comment down below. So let's get right into it. So as you know, almost all the words 설마, 혹시, 어쩌면, 아마도 have similar meanings. It's like possibility. So you can think of it as maybe, perhaps, by any chance, all those things. So let's begin with the first word, 설마. You can think of this as, is that even possible? That can't be right. So when you're flabbergasted about the result, when you hear something that your friends tells you, oh my god, that can't be right. No way. Give me a break. That's ridiculous. That's absurd. So second word we're gonna go through is 혹시. 혹시 is another word with possibility. The best way to think about this word is to happen to or by any chance. I feel like this word can be well used in questions like when you're introducing a topic. So for example, 혹시 이거 먹어봤어? 혹시 by any chance 이거 this thing. So you can think of it as this. 먹어 from the verb 먹다, eat. 봤어? 보다 with another verb means try. So in this case, did you try to eat? Have you tried this? By any chance. 혹시 이거 먹어봤어? By any chance, have you tried this? Do you happen to know this word? 혹시 이 단어 알아요? 혹시 by any chance 이 단어, this word 알아요? This is from a verb 알다, to know. 혹시 이 단어 알아요? By any chance do you know this word? Or you can interpret it as do you happen to know this word? The next word we're gonna go through is 어쩌면. 어쩌면 is used in statement most likely. 어쩌면 그럴지도 몰라. Perhaps it might be like that. 어쩌면 perhaps 그럴지도 몰라. 그렇다 is to be like that. By adding R becomes adjective. 지도 몰라. 몰라 is from a verb 모르다, don't know. I don't know whether it'll be like that or not. So you can think of it as it might be like that. So still this is possibility. 어쩌면 그럴지도 몰라. Perhaps it might be like that. So the last word you can use is a similar thing as the third one, 어쩌면, 아마. You can add 아마도 for emphasis. 아마 is another word for possibility. I feel like normally it's used for answering. When somebody is asking you, you're like perhaps, maybe. You're wondering if the store is open. Can we get out and enjoy shopping finally? 아마도 열었을걸? 아마도 maybe it's open. 아마도 열다 verb to be open. 열었다. This is past tense. In that case, has been open. 열을 걸. By adding 을걸, this is rhetorical. 아마도 열었을걸? Maybe it's open. I try my best to distinguish those four words. I know it can be kind of confusing. So when you see any of these words, think about, make a note. Oh, maybe in this situation they're using which word. I hope you enjoyed this content today. If you did, make sure to give thumbs up. If you want me to make videos about certain subjects, please feel free to leave comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.